After the Putin's order for mobilization of 300,000 reservists in Russia, it only took a few hours for another group of mobilized Russians to get dead drunk. What are we going for? Where are going? F knows, one concludes. Meantime, thousands of vehicles have piled up at the Russian-Georgian border checkpoint in Verkhnyi Lars as Russian citizens are trying to flee the country. While they are waiting for the new Russian, presumably not so drunk forces to arrive, Ukrainian forces keeps doing what they doing. Destroying Russian weapons. Here soldier of the National Guard of Ukraine shot down an, Russia, Ka-52 helicopter with an Agla manpads during an enemy aircraft raid in the Zaporizhia direction. The hundreds of prisoners of war released Wednesday in a surprise deal between Moscow and Kyiv included 10 foreign nationals captured in Ukraine, a close friend of Russian President Vladimir Putin's, and commanders and fighters of the Azov Regiment, a Ukrainian far-right paramilitary group. As part of the swap, Moscow agreed to release the foreigners as well as 215 Ukrainians, including more than 100 members of Azov. In return, Ukraine said it released Viktor Medvedchuk and 55 Russian and pro-Russian fighters. The imbalance in numbers, as well as the freeing of Azov members long portrayed as Nazis by the Kremlin, has already sparked criticism in Russia from pro-war nationalists. However, the breadth and depth of the prisoner exchange, which was brokered with involvement from Saudi Arabia and Turkey, drew praise from the governments of the freed foreigners, several of whom had been sentenced to death in territory occupied by pro-Russian separatists.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.